thing people don't know, you could be married for 60 years with your spouse. You do not have the right to sign a legal document on behalf of your spouse. You also don't have the right to make health decisions, legal, financial decisions. And people are always shocked. Well, that's been my property for 6 years. What do you mean? I'm like, well, John, your wife now has a stroke, and escrow wants you to sign documents on her behalf. Do you have the documents, the financial power of attorney document in place? Do you have a trust in place, maybe where it's under the trust, so you could sign as the trustee? And so these are the issues that people sometimes don't realize that is really, really important. I mean, I've had one colleague that was actually, it was a client, sorry, not a colleague. He calls me and he's a realtor and he's like, I'm in the middle of the deal. The husband got in an accident. And I'm like, Manny, I think I know what you're going to ask me. He's like, can the wife sign? I'm like, no, she can't. I know you're calling me because there's no estate plan or no power of attorney or anything, right? He goes, no, there's not. Is there anything that can be done? No. Is there, by the way, urgency? Can you go in urgently? I've got a case right now. My client wants me to make a petition for urgency because the real estate market is hot, because a realtor's like, you need to sell today versus 30 days from now or 40. The courts don't care. They're not gonna do it unless the house is on fire and there's a 2-year-old in it. They're not gonna, even then. Like, I've done a couple and they're like, not our problem. They should have planned ahead of time, because you understand, if they say it's okay for me, for my client, then it's a domino effect. You did it for this guy, court, Your Honor. Why aren't you doing it for us?